This year at the State Fair, the theme is going Hollywood in essence, and now we're going to find out how you make some of those sound effects that we hear in movies.
Yes, I'm a sound effects artist.
Tony
radio sound
Palermo.
effects. That's right. Sparks Audio Adventures. I do a whole sound effects show, and one of the most classic is the Coconuts for the Horse, which is sort of a giddy up, yeah, yeah, yeah. And of course, if you're doing the Monty Python Holy Grail.
Tony, you have a lot of history in
banging
sound
two
effects. You've
coconuts
done
together.
radio sound effects
Yes,
and
radio
sound
sound
for the
effects,
film?
audio books I've done on stage and that, and I have all sorts of devices that I invent to do that. This one, well, this is the most frightening sound effect of all. I won't do it for you.
Okay,
I can
thank
see
you.
that you're worried about that.
Yeah.
Here's one you could do at home. If the next time you're finishing a little bottle of water, and you're going, oh, last night I had this terrible, my neck, it's sort of,
That's great.
So
I love
you
it.
can do that yourself. Amuse your friends.
I didn't think I was going to scream. That was pretty
did
impressive.
this career come from a curiosity as a child?
Yes, I was a very noisy kid. In fact, this was my first in 1962. I came up with this crash box. It's fairly loud, but if it's like, look, it's a Prius, it's out of control. It sounds like it's
Kids can do this at home.
Traffic
Oh,
Fall
yes,
3 is
yes.
You're going to be at the State Fair, though.
Yes, I'm at the State Fair on a stage doing several shows a day, 2, 4, and 6 at the Big Fun Studio backlot, like a marching bunch. If you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, about face.
Now you're saying you do mostly stuff for radio nowadays.
Radio,
I mean, is this
yes.
how it's still done, or is
It's
this how
still
it
done.
used to be done?
No,
way?
this is both how it was done and how it is done. If I have something like a little device here, I can go, you hear the sound, you go, what is that? Oh, thank you, Doc. Yes, I'll be back next Wednesday. Oh, that's so much better.
What about the smiley face things? What are those?
These are rabid penguins. Yeah, see? And
We
there's-
always hear about rabid penguins
well,
on the
I
radio.
have a sequence in the show where we do penguins in the Caribbean, arr! And so we do a whole sword fighting kind of. Take that!
This is what you would hear on the radio, and this is what you're going to provide at the State Fair.
Oh, yeah.
Who do you usually have come out for your audience? Is it little kids?
It's everybody.
Parents?
Today is Children's Day, and
Oh, good.
Fridays are seniors, but
Yeah, Tuesdays
anybody.
kids are free
It's
today.
fascinating,
Yes, and the
though.
kids-
It's so amazing to see how you do these types.
Oh yeah, this one. Well, I'll go ahead and show you.
I wanna hear it, yeah.
Yes, it's. I had a teacher who tried to keep the kids quiet in the class, and she had long fingernails, went up to the chalkboard, and did a kind of a.
My favorite sound in the whole wide
Yes.
world.
Are all of
yes,
these
everybody
things that you put together over
Yes,
time?
I built all of these over here and that, and then this one is sort of an unusual. It's a bongo drum with a spring on
it
it,
sounds
and
like
I
a
can do
Oh, that's cool. That's my favorite right there.
The reactor, it's about to blow. No, Mr. Scott, you always say that. No, I mean it this time, Captain. It's gonna blow.
Oh, Star Trek, Next Generation. We want to tell people where they can find you, Tony. Remember, the State Fair, it opens at noon. So if you want to come out Kids Day today, admission is free for kids 12 and under.
Till then,
So
on
enjoy
God.
it.